After heavy traffic, we finally arrived. It's one of my favorite restaurants. Uh-oh, many people still waiting. Maybe we should go to another place to eat. Look at what I found. Outdoor tables. Nobody wants to sit outside. But we do. No need to wait anymore. It's warm inside and warm water outside. Not bad. Sesame sauce with a lot of ingredients. Meat, 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 meat. Hot pot. So warm. Eating outdoors in winter. We have the wind, the rain, and we are not cold. No, we are not cold at all. Hot pot. Please start bubbling. Okay, let's get started. Ooh, that's my favorite. Red, spicy, and hot. Don't forget the apron. You need that to protect yourself. Wow, that's good. I can't wait one more second. Believe me, it tastes so much better than it looks. Now, I'm not cold at all. Look at the steam. It's like a spa. Keep eating. Never stop. Vegetables at the end. The lotus root. Delicious. Potato. I love potatoes. Okay, finish. Nothing left. They weigh the sticks for the check. Oh, I'm full. That's a nice dinner. Time to go home. Waiting for the green light. Share the bikes are lonely on a rainy day. I found the apron still on me after I got off the car. I'm Nianzi in China. See you.